Hi guys, Mab here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mab and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, we will be doing an abstract painting using only our DIY silicone wedge. Well, with that, if you haven't seen the video of it, I'll be putting the link in the description down below. So if you'd like to see how this goes, then keep on watching. And there you have it. We're all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least learned something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And of course, if you have any comments, questions on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, MabMab. You now have a good one. I'll see you on our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. You take care. Bye-bye.